Make sure to stay until the end. If you don't do something right when replacing thermostat, you can severely overheat and damage your engine, which can cost you thousands of dollars. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat 500. If you guys have a Fiat 500 and you need to find where the thermostat is located, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today in case you need to replace it. And one thing you should always do when you replace a thermostat, make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain what it is. If you don't do it right, you can actually overheat your engine, guys, and damage it to the point that you may need it rebuilt. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So, with that being said, let's explain what we have here, guys. This is a 1.4 turbo Fiat Abarth, but even if you have a different Fiat, guys, engine, the turbo, non-turbo engine will be about the same. Even if you have the two-cylinder engine that you have in Europe, 3-cylinder engine, something like that, location of the thermostat may be very, very similar as well, guys. So what we did here now, make sure to stay until the end. You always need to do one thing when replacing thermostat. We actually removed the battery tray mount right here, so it's out, so we can access the thermostat. And if you come right here, guys, you follow that big hose, okay, that device right here, this is your thermostat right here. This is your thermostat, guys. Now the thermostat attaches to the engine block, okay, that's the aluminum housing here. You're going to have here a hose, that's your coolant temperature sensor, another hose, okay. But if you're replacing it, all we have to do practically, okay, here you have another hose line here as well. You will need to just remove it, guys. The thermostat is on the inside, and replace it. This is your thermostat housing. That's where it's located. I'm trying to see, okay, that's all the things holding here in place. This here on top is the camshaft position sensor, by the way. When you actually, guys, replace the thermostat, now let's talk about that. You need to drain the coolant. We'll have a video how to drain coolant on Fiat 500. When you drain the coolant, replace the thermostat, you need to put coolant. That's where people make a big mistake. They'll just add coolant, start driving. No, you need to bleed the cooling system on your Fiat. If you don't bleed the cooling system, what can easily happen, you can develop an air pocket, and that air pocket inside will prevent coolant to flow freely between the radiator and the engine, which will lead to overheating, and that can destroy your engine. So always bleed the cooling system. We'll have a video how to bleed the cooling system on Fiat 500 coming on our channel very soon. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.